Okay, so the new link should have taken you to a page that looks like this. Just click Now I Need to Register. And register. You have to put in all of this information, your name, school, email address, password, and then do it again. And then you have to say, I want to view online purchase options. And then just go to show purchasing options. You have to accept the terms, select where we are, New Jersey. And then you have to buy the $50 access code. So then you're going to just enter your credit card information. Then we're just going to complete purchase. And we're done. And here is the book. Alright, and then once here, you're going to go to your settings in the top corner. And add yourself to a student set. And then this is where you're going to enter that number that she gave us. Alright, so it's 145011. Okay. Alright, and then we have been added to the class.